How to log out from Mobile Legends. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar and type Mobile Legends. Now once you are done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Mobile Legends and make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done, simply tap on play. Now wait for the game to load. Now once you are on the game homepage, simply tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now tap on account. Now tap on account center. Now click on device management. Now tap on logout all. Now wait for some time. Now click on confirm once you are done. Now if you want to log out from this device, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now tap on app management and find Mobile Legends. Now tap on Mobile Legends, click on Force Stop and go to Storage Uses. Now tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.